Welcome back to Good Morning Savannah. Thanks for waking up with us on a Monday morning. No, that's not a live shot here in Savannah or anywhere across the coastal empire, the low country. You're looking live this morning. This is in Boston. Look at the snow drifts just off the road. I was talking to someone yesterday. They said they've had so much snow in Boston, they have nowhere to put it. They've been hauling it in and taking out and dumping it into the rivers. And boy, what a nasty start there. They're seeing a little bit of light snow. You can see that, but expecting another 12 to 14 inches. And I feel sorry for that person. It's like they're walking to work this morning in that snow that is coming down, and more snow to come today, and they're trying to plow those roads up to the northeast. If you're headed to Boston out of Savannah, that flight has been canceled this morning due to that wintry weather. And also in parts of the northeast as well in New York, they're seeing more snow that it continues to come down. Even some freezing rain is being reported at LaGuardia and JFK. And if we could, let's look at live radar this morning and seeing that a little bit of pink on the map right around New York City. That's kind of a nasty. We're seeing temperature 27 degrees in New York, and also reporting freezing rain. Canceled flights from Savannah to New York or for JFK and LaGuardia this morning. Both those flights canceled. Also in Philadelphia, reporting close to an hour-and-a-half delay. So if you're trying to make it up to Savannah to Philly and trying to get out of there, do expect some major delays from the mid-Atlantic and especially the northeast. Probably will not be able to get up there today due to that wintry weather. In our area, though, we're going to see a little bit of change. Not so much a change in the temperature department. Still another nice and mild afternoon. Nice and dry this morning, but see the shower activity from Atlanta all the way back into central parts of Alabama. Well, that is headed our way, but not until probably later this afternoon. I do anticipate the shower activity will be on the increase after 4 o'clock and spreading all the way to the coast throughout the evening. Zooming out a little bit, there's that wintry weather to the north of us, and those clouds are beginning to roll in. So the morning will start out with some sunshine, light jacket, but later this afternoon, break out the short sleeves. Those temperatures warming up close to 70 degrees. And here's your hourly forecast as we go throughout the daytime, starting out with that sunshine this morning, at least let's say up to about lunchtime, then becoming mostly cloudy. Temperature by lunch 69 degrees. That's why I said short sleeves. They have that 70 degrees, and those clouds will continue to thicken up, mostly cloudy. Probably not until after 4 o'clock we'll see those showers that will be developing. I have that here on the storm tracker model. Becoming cloudy later this afternoon. There's that shower activity by 6 o'clock. Thinking the model's handling things pretty well. Let's say anywhere from the low country, from Hampton, just off to the west of the low country, from Hampton down through Statesboro, also Claxton, Baxley, Alma, Hazelhurst. We'll see those showers just right around sunset, and then spreading to the coast by 8 up to about 10 o'clock. And then moving off after midnight. We'll continue seeing the clouds for tonight, and also tomorrow morning when you wake up early tomorrow morning at 2 o'clock. We'll see mostly cloudy skies, and a good part of tomorrow is looking cloudy as well. Rain totals, do not anticipate a great amount. Many areas will probably see less than a quarter of an inch. You can see that in Savannah. Also the low country seeing about a 1/10 of an inch. Some isolated areas may pick up a ½ inch, showing in Pembroke, but this will be just a very brief amount of rain late this afternoon and into the evening. Light jackets, like I said, as we start the day out, temperatures are into the mid-40s, but later today we're going to quickly warm up despite that full sunshine this morning. They're becoming mostly cloudy. Despite that cloudiness later today, we'll see that temperatures will be right around 70 degrees. This past weekend was nice. We're going to flip things around. Unfortunately, once we go into Saturday and Sunday, 54 degrees on Saturday. Many of the computer models are showing lower 40s on Sunday. We'll continue to fine-tune this weekend forecast as we get closer to it. Just kind of give you an idea how it's going to play out once we get closer to Saturday and Sunday. Of course, Saturday's a big day, Valentine's Day. I'm sure a lot of people headed out for evening dinner there on Saturday. Take your Valentine out. As for today, though, like I said, showers on the way later this afternoon into the evening. 60 for tomorrow, and pleasant weather for Wednesday and Thursday. And that cool air slowly moves in once we go into Friday.
Couple days of sunshine.